Healthcare workers in the hub city now feeling more relief, getting their second dose of the coronavirus vaccine. Our Alyssa Tejas spoke to our health authority, Dr. Ron Cook. How many people have received their first dose of the vaccine?
The Texas Department of State Health Services report here in Lubbock more than 13,000 people have at least received one dose, and more than 1,100 people are completely vaccinated.
3 weeks. That's how much time has passed since the first healthcare workers received the vaccine.
Most people with the second dose, whether they got the Moderna or the Pfizer, do experience more symptoms with that second dose.
Dr. Amanda Backlund rolling up her sleeves the second time, making her even more protected against the coronavirus.
You're going to have a predictable response to the vaccine. You're going to have mild to moderate flu-like symptoms. The COVID infection can be so unpredictable.
The first dose is only about 70% effective. But the all-important second dose, more than 90% effective against COVID-19.
Our body responds with enough immune response to protect us 94 to 95% of the time.
But time also playing a critical role in the effectiveness of the vaccine. Pfizer's must be taken after 3 weeks, and for Moderna, you'll have to wait a month, with a 4-day grace period for both.
You're not completely protected until another 2 to 3 weeks after that second dose.
Research into the vaccine is still being conducted, like what happens if you get COVID between doses.
Might have to start the dosage over, but you might not. We just don't, those studies aren't out there yet.
And whether you can still transmit the virus if you've received the vaccine.
That's the reason why we are continuing to ask you, even when you're vaccinated, that you wear a mask and socially distance.
Until we reach herd immunity, which could happen when 70 to 80% of the population gets 2 doses. If folks only get 1 dose, the coronavirus could mutate.
You're giving the virus an opportunity to make a change in between. That's just the same thing like with antibiotics.
The CDC says the Pfizer vaccine is effective against the new strain. So after 2 quick doses,
you're done, and then you're protected, and then you're protecting other people.
UMC is set to receive their next shipment of vaccines next week. Dr. Cook says the state has assured them that we will have enough vaccines to provide the second dose to folks who have received the first.